All right, so here's a good one. I went on my last trip, and when I got back to Kentucky, of course, it's already winter, it's cold, and by the time I unhitched and everything, and with the way my schedule was, you know, getting the food and the clothes out of the RV was about all the time I had, you know what I mean? And I just didn't have time to winterize. And what could I do? So I come out here to winterize, and I turn the water pump on, the light turns on, no sound. And I'm like, crap. You know, it's froze up, or it's just busted, nothing I can do, whatever, you know what I mean? So I start getting into it. I come down here, I check all the fuses in the panel, you know what I mean? And all the fuses are good. There's nothing going on there. So in my head, it's frozen or it's broken, one of the two. But I went ahead and figured, okay, maybe it's frozen. Maybe there's frozen ice in there. It just can't turn. If I can get it to thaw out, that's all I need to do. Yeah, so spent the last like 2 days with this heater sitting in the corner here blowing in, trying to warm it up, and nothing, just nothing. And then today came 45 degrees, and I'm like, today it's gonna thaw. It's a warm day. And then I came home, still nothing. So I put the heater there for an hour, and I'm like, warm day and the heater, come on, it's gotta thaw out. Still nothing. I'm like, crap. There's just, it's, you know, it's shot. What can I do? It's shot. As I move stuff around in here, my finger got caught on the wires that are in here. You know how nicely these are tucked. And boom, I said, hold a minute. What's this red box here? There is a inline fuse. I can't open it with one hand. Oh, there it goes. There is an inline fuse going to the water pump in here. So yeah, a heads up, if your water pump ever goes out, check the inline fuse. It's a 10. And sure enough, I replaced that, and we're golden. Suck, suck, suck.